Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Scrapbooking Coach at home. And I've got this kit, it's called Shades of Fun for September 2023. And I've been having so much fun with this kit. I've already created this one layout and I was fussy cutting and having myself a time. So let's jump into this one. I want to use this sketch right here. I like that we've got a pattern paper here, maybe a couple circle bits from another paper, we'll see. Photo, and then there's like this nice visual triangle with some florals. And this down here, I'm gonna make a shaker with these giant sunglasses. I think it'll be super fun. Oh, and look at this little banner piece. So this is gonna be a super fun one. So let's see. I've got this photo right here of the hubs and I'm wearing some sunglasses. I thought it'd be fun. I did kind of like this little bit of a hazy summer filter on it, and I thought that would be great. This is taken in South Carolina. We were on a vacation to Savannah, and we hit the coast, and we went along the water for a day. So thought that would be fun. So the first thing I have to do is pick the paper that will be like kind of like the 2/3 of paper on I do know how to say words, just so you know. I know words that will be on the left. And the other side, I think I'm going to use this one. Will I show up okay? Yes. So let's see. I love the pink and kind of like the bluey sunglasses. So I want to make sure to get those sunglasses in. I can use this for, oh, look, it's a backside. Who knew? Okay, I don't know. All right, and then how much of this do we want? Now, it's a larger portion, like about, yeah. So I will cut the yellow sunglasses off kind of in the middle. Okay, no big deal. So then we'll slap that on. I've got these little sunnies on the bottom, so that's already doing this like embellishment, kind of showing where the story is going. Photo block. I'm going to do a little bit bigger of a photo block though. Ooh, look at this paper right here. I think I've already cut into this one, so let me find the one that I cut into so I don't cut into a brand new one. See, I only cut out a couple pairs of sunglasses in this. So then, guys, I have so many things I want to do with this kit. I'm going kind of wacky with it. So I want a nice size photo block. And I want it, you know, a good deal bigger than my photo. So if that's like that, I mean, I can always trim it down. Ooh, you know what? Let me trim it just slightly. I just want to make sure that like my favorite sunnies are showing, not that it matters. Okay, and then I want to trim it here. This is totally like built around like, you know, sunglasses that I'm going to end up covering anyway, so it won't even matter. So I have that. Husband's kind of facing like that. I'm kind of facing like that. It's fine. Okay, we have that. Perfect. And then, let's see. Do I want to use that? Guys, I wasn't even supposed to be using that. I was supposed to be using this. So let me cut a block from this too. You ever get so excited when you're using product, you're like, I want to do this. And then you're like, how do you use every single piece? And the answer is, I don't know, but I'm going to try. So we have this. So what if I show a little bit of each and I scuff up all of my edges? All right, and I want to map my photo with just a scrap of white cardstock. It'll be great. It'll be a scam. I love it. Now, there is a fun little fishtail banner piece that kind of goes right here. And I would prefer to use, let me move this to the side because these have not been touched yet. And I just can use scraps at this point. What's in here? Ooh, stories matter. That piece would be cool. Do I have things like scissors? Scissors would be cool. I could fussy cut that out, and that's kind of one of those nice circular elements. I don't want it on the yellow though. I can put it there. I might not even use it. I don't know. We're gonna just see how it goes. Let's see. We have this cute house paper. I love this super deep green though. I could just, and guys, look what I did. in the blank spaces in between the green, I used our stencil just in case I wanted to use it. Oh wait, let me check really quick. All right, these are those sunglasses that I talked about that I'm gonna make into shakers. So if that's there, that's gonna be pretty big. I'm gonna cut them out, throw some sequins in, it'll be great. So I won't really need a fishtail banner right there because that's gonna be pretty big. And then, oh, but wait, I wanna cut out my flowers too. Yep, I want to do everything all at once. All right, I'm going to scuff up my edges, get these pieces stuck down, turn these into shaker pockets by cutting out these bits, slapping some acetate in the middle, sparkly, sparkly, it'll be great. I'm going to trim these bits out, get these pieces on, and then we'll assess where we're going with this. So I've got some good traction going. I've got my little shaker sunglasses, and I think they're hilarious. So they're obviously going to be a very large element. Now this really nice trim is in here. I'm going to go ahead and put that partially, just a little peeky peek underneath the white paper and have it come out onto the mustard on the top and bottom. It's a nice little element, and then get my sunglasses down. I just wanted to make sure you saw that I was doing that. I still have to cut out my flowers. I have to cut out my mothy bits, but this is totally coming together. So I have my title. I know, my title is Love You. And these are, we talked about this. These are just these words that I went ahead before I even started using this kit. And I popped them on this gorgeous green paper because I knew one of these papers I was going to fussy cut out letters, numbers, whatever. And then the rest, that green color is just gorgeous. It's this great sagey color. So I thought what I would do is put this slightly messy title, which I'm good with it being messy, and I would go ahead and just put it across my shaker. And how stinking cute is that, guys? Now I've got my mothy little buggy bits. I want to get these little guys flying here and there, and then really it's just a matter of, do I want to add anything else? Right now, I am super stoked with this. I think it looks fab. Ooh, I'm going to put this buggy bit right on the corner here. And then I've got a little tiny one, and he's so cute. He's just like a little tiny buggy. And I'm going to get little tiny buggy flying right there. So cute. You know what? I want little buggy to stick up just a little bit more. Ooh, I just told you a story. I want to have little buggy go right there. Okay, so I have that going on. Loving how this is looking. I need to take a second. Like, I have these beautiful little sunglasses that are made from like a wood veneer or a wood cut. And I think they would be gorgeous also on here. So I just have to take a look. We can go like that. Oh, that would be cute. Now, I think I'll do them in pink maybe. That would be cute. Or maybe two colors. Maybe a pink and a yellow. Because I do have, where is my, oh, scattered straw goes so well with this. And then spun sugar and kitsch flamingo mixed is the right pink. So I have that going on. Do I want to add anything else? Maybe a few splatty bits and, you know, something along the stamens of the mothy bits. And I think that's going to be it. So let me do those couple things and I'll come back and show you this finished layout. All right, my friends, I have this finished layout. Lots of white splatty bits here, there, and everywhere. So that's kind of fun because we're by the ocean. And I've got my butterflies and I've got some layering and super fun, guys. That's the best I can tell you. This was so darned fun. So I'm going to have links down below. They are affiliate links. I get it. If you don't like to click affiliate links, just go right to the website where you can get your hands on the books, the kits, all of the good stuff, and as well as a Facebook group. So guys, I'm going to have a few still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.